guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're gonna be cleaning our brushes because it's been so long before cleaning my brushes. So yeah, and we're also gonna do a little bit of organizing here in my beauty room because it is gotten a little messy. Like, I will record a video and then I will not clean it up. That's not a good good thing to do, but I'm gonna try to be my best to be the more cleaner. So if you want to see me clean my brushes, my daughter's in the background screaming as always, definitely stay tuned, and I will definitely show you what soap I'm gonna be using for my brushes, because I do have quite some brushes that I use. And yeah, so let's get started. About the ones you see, my desk is a mess, everything's a mess. I haven't cleaned everything, so excuse that. We're gonna do that after we clean our brushes. These, I took all the brushes that were dirty. As you can see, I left the clean ones in the back. I still have to organize those, take those dirty ones out, bring them out. I left the clean ones, and obviously the bling brushes, I'm gonna be cleaning those. I think I'm gonna order like 2 more sets because these are freaking beautiful, guys. I totally recommend these. Okay, so let's get the dirty brushes from here. It's mostly, we're gonna put them in this one because these are the fluffier ones. This one, this one, oh, this one. You can definitely see the powder coming out and everything too, and they get dirty pretty quickly and dusty, and that's not good. And she's touching over there. Perfect. It's clean, that's clean, and that's clean. Yeah, this is clean. So that's that, I think. Yeah, there's only like this one that's I don't really use, but yeah, and it's all of these. So we're gonna be brushing these. Let me get my soap real quick. Okay guys, so we're in my bathroom, and this is like my own bathroom, I can say. That's upstairs because I don't usually have a lot of visitors. So this is my what's it called, skincare thingy. I have to add in more products from the company that I have, and these are like some, but I'm gonna add more. I have them downstairs, and these are the brushes we're gonna be cleaning. I'm also gonna clean these 2 ones, these sponges. More brushes here. This is a cute little mirror. My daughter is over there in the toilet. Okay, this is the one I'm gonna be using. It's the Japanese Create Beauty Solid Brush Cleanser, and it's the goat milk cleansing balm. And this is the one I use. I got it at TJ Maxx before quarantine. And I have this little thingy that I use to wash them, and it sticks to the sink, so it's much more easier. So let me get set up and we'll get started. Okay guys, so as you can see here, I turned off the water. I don't want to waste too much water, as you can see. If you guys have any tips on how I can wash my brushes without the bristles spreading outwards, tips totally accepted. I've seen other ones, like other people wash their brushes with like well, as you can see here, I'm sorry, I just got a container and thought, you know what, let me just get a container with some water. I couldn't find one. This is what I found, so I used that so I can save some water. And like I was saying, if you have any tips for washing your brushes, if you have a better way or a better method, go ahead and comment that below, because I need to know your way of washing your brushes. As you can see, the water is getting pretty dirty, and you can see the soap is dirty, guys. That's how you know I wasn't washing my brushes so often, but you know, we got to start doing that. Okay, so we're almost done. I am gonna fast forward this because, you know, it does take forever. So yeah. Okay guys, so I did end up kind of organizing it. I just literally put my foundations on the side because, you know, that's faster. So my brushes are actually clean. You know, brushes are clean. I organized that. Now this is a stain on my desk, guys. I don't know how to take it off. It just stained. I think it was from a lipstick. I'm not sure, but I couldn't remove that. If you guys know any suggestions, please let me know. Okay, so I just left these lashes here because these are pretty new. I'm actually just gonna cut them, like trim them, because this is pretty big. I don't have big eyes. Sorry, I'm out of breath. I ran upstairs to finish this video. Okay, so as you can see, these brushes are clean. This is what I mean when I mean the bristles spread out. I don't know if you can see it, but look. And this is the Morphe brush. See, it's all open. What can I do? Someone let me know. So this is Morphe. I've seen Morphe do that quite some often. And look, this one did not spread so much, but it is like, you know, clean. And this is from Lorella Cosmetics, guys. This is much more cheaper than Morphe brushes. And hello Morphe, what's up? Like, what happened, you know? And then I'm buying cheaper brushes, which are, you know, from Lorella Cosmetics. And they're not doing that. Okay, these are the precise, you know, I have them separate. These are my bling brushes, and look how clean and look how beautiful they are. They didn't spread like the Morphe ones. You see their shape remained. Now, I do recommend these, like I mentioned, because these are so soft. And, well, I cleaned that. That fell from up here because, you know, the hanger couldn't hold it. And, yeah, so we just organized that. I left this on the side, whatever. So, yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Sorry. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share this to people who, like, generally watch these videos. Thank you so much. I appreciate every single one of you. Stay tuned for more videos. And for, you know, this is for maybe a giveaway. I'm not sure. But stay tuned for that. And I am here. Okay. So, yes. Bye, guys.